Did you know that just one drag of salvia can feel like lasting a whole lifetime? In 2014, a 20-year-old college student was in his dorm room with friends, preparing to smoke the legal drug. They carefully packed the pipe, put on some music, and got ready to watch him go through what should have been a 5-minute trip. He laughed before he inhaled, thinking he'd only have strange visuals. But seconds after letting the smoke out, his body went completely limp. His friends saw him staring into space, but in his mind, he opened his eyes as a child in another reality, with parents and siblings he never knew. He grew up, fell in love, held his newborn son, and buried his father. Every moment seemed vivid. The taste of food, the heat of the summer air, the sadness and joy of an elderly man surrounded by grandchildren. Then suddenly the sky broke like shattered glass, and he woke up in his dorm room. Only 5 minutes had passed. For hours, he begged to go back to the family he felt he had left behind. Years later, he still dreams of their faces.